Hello students, in this video we will solve one example of triple integration by transforming it from Cartesian coordinates to spherical polar coordinates. So we will evaluate this triple integral over the volume of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 in the positive octant. So first we will see this region of the sphere in positive octant. So here this is our region of integration. Over this region we have to integrate it. So we are going to transform this to polar coordinates. So here substitution is x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta, where r, theta, phi are spherical polar coordinates. Now we will find limits for r, theta and phi. So let us take one point, say P, on the surface of P. Not only on the surface, this point can lie anywhere in the sphere, okay, in the positive octant of the sphere. So its distance from the origin, let us call that as r. So r will vary from 0 up to the maximum value of r will be 1, okay, when the point lies on the surface of the sphere. So therefore r varies from 0 to 1. So limits of r are from 0 to 1. Now next we'll see limits of theta. So theta is basically what? Angle between radius vector and this z axis. Okay, so this is theta. Now you can see here this theta will vary from 0 when the point lies on z axis. So at that time it is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, it is pi by 2 when point lie on xy plane. So therefore limits of theta are from 0 to pi by 2. Now we'll find limits of phi. So to find limits of phi, let us take projection of this point P on xy plane. So it is here. Phi is angle of this radius vector. Okay, radius vector of the projected point, now projection of P with x-axis, that is phi. You can see here this phi will also vary from 0 to pi by 2. It is 0 when this projection lies on x-axis, and it is pi by 2 when the projection lies on y-axis. So therefore limits of phi are from 0 to pi by 2. So these are the limits. Now over these limits we will integrate the integral. So this triple integral over phi is equal to, so it will become this: phi varies from 0 to pi by 2, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, r varies from 0 to 1. In spherical polar coordinates, when we use substitution, when we use spherical polar coordinates from Cartesian to polar, dx, dy, dz get replaced by r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, where r square sin theta is Jacobian of xyz with respect to r theta phi. We will take modulus of that Jacobian. So that is r square sin theta divided by under root 1 minus this x square plus y square plus z square will be r square. So 1 minus r square. Now here, as all the limits are constants, we can use any order of integration, or even you can separate the integrals. So here comes this. Now we will separately solve every integral here. This is possible because all the limits are constants. For this third integral, we will use substitution. R is equal to sin theta. Therefore dr will be cos t dt, and the limits will be, so when r is equal to 0, t will be 0. When r is 1, t is pi by 2. So this integral becomes this. T will vary from 0 to pi by 2 sin square t dt. So let us solve these integrals now. Sin square t is 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. So the limit of integration of d phi will be phi 0 to pi by 2. Integration of sin theta d theta will be minus cos theta 0 to pi by 2. And here integration of 1 by 2 will be t by 2 minus integration of cos 2t will be sin 2t upon 2. So therefore it is 4 here with limit 0 to pi by 2, which is When we put these upper limits, it is pi by 2 minus 0, which is pi by 2. Then here minus of cos pi by 2, which is 0, minus of minus 1, so it is plus 1. Then here for lower limits both the terms are 0, and when you put upper limit, this will become pi by 4 minus this is sin pi, which is also 0, so therefore pi by 4. So our answer is pi square by 8. So therefore this integral over the positive octant of sphere of radius 1 is pi square by 8. So this is how we can convert integration, triple integration from Cartesian coordinates to spherical polar coordinates, and we can evaluate it. Thank you.